Today I'm going to make a time lapse of the scene behind me, and it's going to include some flowers. What you do is you take all these stills. I have this set up to shoot one picture every 30 seconds. And then I will take all those stills and put them together using Adobe Bridge, and then bring them into Premiere Pro as an import and create the video that you're going to see here. Once I'm done recording, I want to import the files from my camera, in this case the GoPro, onto my computer. So I load them into a folder. I called it GoPro 1 folder in this case. And then I want to rename all of those files so they're sequential, and I'll show you how that works now. So we'll click on the bridge icon, open up Bridge, and then navigate to the location where our files are stored. I'm sliding in my GoPro folder here, and you can see all these are numbered with GoPro sequencing. Next, I'll open the GoPro 1 folder in Bridge and navigate to that folder. Select all of the files using Command A or Control A if you're on a PC. 999 items have been selected, so the next thing we want to do is go up to Tools and click Batch Rename. In this dialog window, we leave the default. We're going to rename these in the same folder, and our sequence number will start with 000. Tells me I have 999 files to be processed, and then I'll click Rename. Bridge renames everything, and you can see them all listed. You can check the original folder to confirm that everything has been renamed, and then we'll move on to the next step, which is to import all of these files as a sequence into Premiere Pro. You see how you take your files and you have imported them, and the reason we have to renumber them is because when you use the import feature in Adobe Premiere Pro, the files have to be numbered sequentially. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, or 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, etc. And when we have everything numbered, you have 10 of them, or 100, or 1,000, or 10,000, doesn't matter. Then you can pull that information into Adobe and create your sequence. In the project window, I'll right-click and choose to import, and this will open the dialog box that lets me do the import. I'm going to navigate to the folder in which my files are stored. And I'll select the first one, and then make sure that I check the little box under Options that says Image Sequence, and you see that circled here in red. The first file in the sequence of files must be selected, or the image sequence checkbox will not be available. Then I'll click Import, and when I do, this creates a sequence in the project window. If I double-click on this sequence, then it opens that in the source window, and once that's open, I can scrub through by moving my playhead and look at all of my images. Now these are all seamlessly stitched together. I'm going to hit the tilde key, expand this to full frame, and you can see the whole thing here in a much larger presentation. Remember, this is 999 individual files, all seamlessly stitched together to create this image sequence. This brings us to the end of the essential time-lapse information. I hope you've enjoyed this video. The clouds are in, it's the end of another day, and the sky is gray. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share the video. So that's how time-lapse works, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.